vandalism. Graffiti has long sparked debate. While others see it as a vandalism, others view it as a powerful form of artistic and social expression. When done with purpose and skill, graffiti should be considered art and not just a criminal act. Graffiti often reflects the voice of the people, especially those who are from marginalized communities. Artists like to use public walls to express opinion about politics, injustice, and culture. Famous street art like Banksy's use graffiti to raise awareness about global issues, providing it can be more than just random tagging. Critics argued that graffiti defaces property and contributes to urban decay. This is true when it's done illegally and without permission. No matter how talented the artist is, painting on private or public property without consent is vandalism and disrespectful to the community. However, not all graffiti is illegal. Many cities have created legal spaces for street art, turning once neglected area into a cultural landmark. Places like Melbourne and Berlin have thriving street art scenes that attract tourists and boost local economy. The solution is not to ban graffiti, but to support legal creative spaces where artists can express themselves without breaking the law. This helps reduce the illegal graffiti while encouraging positive artist expressions. In conclusion, graffiti can be both art and vandalism, depending on the context and intent. When it's done legally and truthfully, it becomes a valuable part of urban decay that should be respected and preserved.